Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to quit Google Chrome, how to quit or exit Candy Crush game. Let's begin with the tutorial. If you were not being able to complete this level, then you can always quit. You can do it by tapping on back. Here you can see the option of quit level. There you will see the option of -1 life. You lose 1 life, but you want to keep. You can quit level by pressing this. There you go. You press the quit button. So you have quitted or exited the Candy Crush game. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.